Want to safeguard your home without the need for permits and paperwork? In this video, we will show you 15 deadly home defense tools found on Amazon that do not require any license to purchase. Whether it's an effective deterrent or a portable protection device, these products are made for easy access and convenience. We will discuss the effectiveness of each product, who they are suited for, and what factors to consider before making a purchase. Number 1. Cold Steel Code 4 Tanto Point. The Cold Steel Code 4 Tanto Point Recon 1 series is a robust tactical folding knife designed for functionality and performance. It boasts a razor-sharp 4-inch American S35 VN stainless steel blade with a long-lasting DLC, diamond-like carbon finish, ensuring superior edge retention, corrosion resistance, and durability. The Tanto Point blade is perfect for piercing and heavy cutting applications. The 5.375-inch G10 handle features a secure, slip-resistant grip, even in cold, wet, or gloved conditions. The knife has a slender, agile design and weighs only 5.2 ounces, despite its robustness. Cold Steel's famous Triad lock system provides unparalleled strength and shock durability, improving safety for the user. The knife has a total length of 9.375 inches and comes with an ambidextrous pocket or belt clip, making it an ideal EDC knife at a price of $79.92. Number 2. Saber Pepper Projectile Launcher. The Saber Pepper Projectile Launcher is a reliable home defense solution that comes from the #1 pepper spray brand, trusted by law enforcement and consumers around the globe. Engineered for home defense from a safe distance, the Saber Pepper Projectile Launcher provides direct impact deterrence at ranges of up to 60 feet, 18 meters, helping to deter multiple threats before they reach you. Every magazine contains 7.68 caliber projectiles designed to inflict extreme pain upon impact, coupled with a loud sound discharge that will shock and deter would-be home invaders. For even more accuracy, the front and rear fiber optic sights provide improved low-light visibility, and the rubberized grip provides positive control. The Saber Pepper Projectile Launcher is easy to handle due to its compact and lightweight design, and its no recoil feature ensures smooth and stress-free operation. Number 3. Zune Lo2 Annihilate Tactical Shovel. The Zune Lo2 Annihilate Tactical Shovel is a heavy-duty survival multi-tool designed for extreme environments. It is more than a shovel, as it also features an axe, bottle opener, survival whistle, camera stand, fire starter, wire saw, and rope. The folding shovel head is made from one-piece martensitic steel with an HRC60 hardness level and can handle a maximum of 2,116 pounds of pressure. It is also resistant to saltwater corrosion for 25 days and can function in temperatures as low as -60 degrees. The patented 7-angle locking system enables quick one-handed operation, and the aircraft-grade aluminum handle provides strength and maneuverability. It is fully extendable to 35.4 inches long and comes with a compact pouch at $239.99. Number 4. Hatsan Mod 95 Air Rifle Combo. The Hatsan Mod 95 Air Rifle Combo is a very powerful and well-crafted air rifle that is designed for accuracy, durability, and classic looks. It is .177 caliber and has a single-shot break barrel design with a spring piston power plant. The air rifle comes with Hatsan's Quattro trigger, which is a fully adjustable 2-stage match trigger that provides precise control and a clean break. The air rifle has a genuine Turkish walnut stock that provides a high-quality feel and is ambidextrous, meaning it can be used by both left and right-handed shooters. It also has a precision-rifled German steel barrel that provides accuracy. It has the ability to shoot lead-free pellets at 1,300 feet per second and lead pellets at 1,100 feet per second, delivering up to 20 feet per pound energy of muzzle energy. The grooved 11mm dovetail receiver comes with a 3 to 9 times 32 Optima scope and rings. It is an excellent value air rifle combo and is priced at $156.99. Number 5. Bear Archery Legit Compound Bow. The Bear Archery Legit Max Ready to Hunt Compound Bow is designed for serious archers who seek the power, accuracy, and versatility of a complete system. With a draw weight of up to 70 pounds, this bow provides maximum stability with a short 30-inch axle-to-axle length and a forgiving 6.2 5-inch brace height. Its ultra-smooth draw cycle is achieved through an advanced dual-cam design that provides consistent and reliable performance with every shot. Engineered with next-generation convenience in mind, it has IMS rest compatibility and Picatinny sight mounting for clean and streamlined accessory integration. The ready-to-hunt package comes with an IMS V-biscuit rest, fatal foresight, arrow quiver, snub nose stabilizer, peep sight, and wrist sling. Its broad draw weight range of 10 to 70 pounds and adjustable draw length of 14 to 30 inches makes it perfect for both beginners and experienced hunters. It is reasonably priced at $399.99. Number 6. K-Bar Mark I Fixed Blade. The K-Bar Mark I Fixed Blade knife is a traditional, combat-tested knife that has been designed for its reliability and practical use. This knife is proudly made in the USA and boasts a high-quality 5 1/8 inch straight-edge blade made from the finest 1095 Crovan steel, which is renowned for its toughness, sharpness, and ease of sharpening. With a total length of 9 3/16 inches, this knife has a well-balanced design that makes it perfect for use in the outdoors, for survival and general utility cutting. Its black Creighton G handle ensures a firm and non-slip grip, even in harsh environments. To ensure safe storage and easy access, it comes with a heavy-duty hard plastic sheath, which is made in Taiwan. This lightweight and durable K-Bar Mark I knife is available for a reasonable price of $78.37. Number 7. Reaper 10,000 Tac Javelin. The Reaper 10,000 Tac Javelin is a tactical fixed-blade survival knife designed for tactical, outdoor, and emergency applications. It boasts a razor-sharp 5-inch tanto blade with a satin finish, constructed from high-quality 420 stainless steel with excellent piercing and slicing capabilities. Dual serrated edges on both the blade and spine enable aggressive cutting of rope, fabric, and wood. The 4mm thick blade spine provides added strength for heavy-duty field operations. The 5.5-inch anodized aluminum handle offers a secure, slip-resistant grip, even when wet or gloved. A glass breaker pommel adds to its emergency response capabilities, while a lanyard hole provides enhanced carry security. The knife comes with a belt sheath featuring MOLLE attachment, allowing for seamless mounting on backpacks or tactical gear. At a remarkably low price of $29.99, it is an absolute bargain. Number 8. Sig Sauer MCX Virtus. The Sig Sauer MCX Virtus PCP air rifle is a high-performance pellet air rifle, ideal for training and target shooting. As a SIG Air product, it represents Sig Sauer's foray into the pre-charged pneumatic PCP market, offering unparalleled consistency and accuracy. With a .22 caliber and semi-automatic design, this air rifle boasts a 17.5-inch barrel, flip-up front and rear sights, and an M1913 accessory rail for mounting optics and accessories. Its PCP technology offers much greater muzzle energy than a conventional CO2-powered air rifle. The innovative 30-round Rapid Pellet Magazine, RPM, enables rapid follow-up shots, making it perfect for target shooting and pest removal. Engineered to resemble the original MCX Virtus model, it is constructed with genuine materials and adheres to Sig Sauer's rigorous quality standards. With a price tag of $339.99, it is a high-end training air rifle. Number 9. CRKT Woods Chogan T-Hawk. The CRKT Woods Chogan T-Hawk is a compact and robust tomahawk designed for outdoor survival and camping. The blade is made from 1055 carbon steel, which is highly durable and has a plain edge that is resistant to wear and tear. The handle of the tomahawk is made from Tennessee hickory, a material that is shock-absorbing and can withstand rigorous use in the outdoors. The Chogan T-Hawk is a versatile tomahawk that can split kindling, chop wood, and drive tent stakes with ease. This product was developed by Ryan Johnson of RMJ Tactical in Chattanooga, Tennessee, and features a modern design with a classic twist. It comes with a limited lifetime warranty and is available at a reasonable price of $55. Number 10. Schrade SCHF 52 Frontier. The Schrade SCHF 36M Frontier Fixed Blade Knife is a tough outdoor knife that is perfect for survival, camping, and bushcraft. With an overall length of 10.4 inches and a 5-inch drop point blade, it provides excellent control and cutting power, weighing only 12.3 ounces. The blade is made from high-quality 8CR13MOV high-carbon stainless steel with a powder coating for added corrosion protection. The gray and white micarta handle is secure and comfortable to hold, with a finger choil and jimping to prevent slipping during heavy use. Additional features include a ferro rod, sharpening stone, and lanyard hole for added preparedness. A polyester belt sheath provides convenient access and easy carry. At a price of $54.99, it is an excellent value for outdoor enthusiasts. Number 11. Bara 1100 ZPCP Air Rifle. The United Cutlery Honshu Aizu Ring Fighter is a unique fusion of modern tactical styling and classic design, created specifically for collectors and martial artists. Made from high-carbon steel, the blade is highly durable and features an aggressive cutting edge perfect for display or controlled training. The Ring Fighter handle design is a classic nod to its intended use and adds to the overall grip security and handling. The clean, battle-ready design is a testament to the Honshu brand's focus on combining modern engineering with classic designs for their weapons. As a well-balanced and powerful edged weapon, the Aizu Ring Fighter is a unique addition to the Honshu line of products. Perfect for collectors who value unique blade designs, the Aizu Ring Fighter features a bold design and robust construction at an affordable price of $159.99. Number 12. Gerber Gator Machete. The Gerber Gear. Gator Machete is an all-around outdoor utility tool that can be used for gardening, survival, hunting, and bushcraft. With a total length of 25 inches, it boasts an 18-inch plain-edge high-carbon stainless steel blade with a saw blade on the back for cutting down thicker wood. The blade is resistant to corrosion, making it ideal for use in harsh outdoor conditions. Its distinctive gator grip rubberized handle provides a firm and comfortable grip in both wet and dry conditions. Weighing only 18 ounces, the machete is still lightweight and portable enough for outdoor adventures. It comes with a nylon sheath for safe storage and transport. Gerber Gear's limited lifetime warranty supports the Gator Machete, which is priced affordably at only $34.99. Number 13. Umarex Synergis .2 2 Underlever Air Rifle. The Umarex Synergis .2 2 Underlever Air Rifle is a well-equipped repeating air rifle designed for accuracy and ease of use. With a .22 caliber and 10-shot rapid mag auto-indexing magazine, follow-up shots are possible without reloading after each trigger pull. The TNT turbo nitrogen gas piston power plant and inline airflow boost technology ensure consistent shooting with velocities of up to 900 feet per second. The smooth underlever cocking system fixes the barrel in place for improved accuracy, and the rifled 18.5-inch barrel provides enhanced precision. The all-metal Picatinny rail offers a stable mounting surface for optics, and a 3 to 9 times 40 scope is included. Other features include a manual safety, rubber recoil pad, and well-balanced 45.5-inch overall length for comfortable shooting. At a price of $113.32, it is a great value for target shooting and small game hunting. Number 14. Condor Golok Machete. The Condor Tool and Knife Golok Machete is a heavy-duty survival machete designed for tough outdoor use and traditional craftsmanship. Made from high-carbon steel with an incredible thickness of 0.2 inches, this machete is ideal for tough cutting tasks such as felling trees, hacking through thick brush, and trail maintenance. The walnut handle features a beautiful grain pattern that combines traditional looks with comfort and grip security, making it easy to wield for extended periods. Featuring a convex edge, the Golok machete is perfect for chopping, slicing, and general camp tasks, making it a versatile addition to any gardening, camping, or survival kit. It features a handmade welted leather sheath that provides safe and convenient storage and transportation of the machete. Characterized by its authenticity and uniqueness, this machete is a must-have for any serious outdoor enthusiast. Priced at $97.22, it offers strength, style, and reliability in one package. Number 15. Killer Instinct Speed 425 Crossbow. The Killer Instinct Speed 425 Crossbow is a high-performance hunting crossbow designed for speed, accuracy, and customizability. Blazing fast at 425 feet per second, it provides flat trajectories and extreme downrange power. A precision-crafted cam system and CNC aluminum rail provide accuracy and consistency for confident, precise shooting. Hunters will appreciate the advanced let-off system, which reduces the weight of the draw, providing smoother, quieter shots with less vibration. The slim design provides better balance and agility in close-quarters hunting, whether in a blind or tree stand. Customization is a major advantage, with an adjustable buttstock, customizable pistol grip, and Picatinny-mounted foregrip that allows the shooter to customize fit and feel. With a price tag of $414.97, the Speed 425 crossbow packs serious hunting power. And that's the end of our list of 15 deadly home defense tools available on Amazon without a license. If you care about safety, then pick carefully and think about training and storage. Like, subscribe, and comment on which one surprised you the most. Stay safe, stay alert, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.